So now that we have our Bora Cart fully assembled, you can see just how nice and easy this thing rolls around. Once you get into position to use it, you simply take these little kick pedals and kick them down, and now your system isn't going to be rolling around. This is going to make it an absolute godsend for me to be able to move our big giant drill press anywhere we need to within our shop. And more importantly, now I can actually stick it back in a corner where I want to be able to put it, and it stays until I actually need it, and then I can pull it out.